This video is going to show the installation of a Tusk shift lever, which is 10 millimeters longer than the stock one. Now there's just a single bolt that holds the shift lever on, and it's a 10 millimeter coming through the top. So with a 10 millimeter wrench, just go ahead and loosen that bolt. You'll notice it's not extremely tight. It torques to 111 inch-pounds. Go ahead and take that bolt all the way out. And once you get that bolt out, that shift lever should just come right off like that. Now on the new Tusk shift lever, I'm going to discard the original bolt. It's known to be soft and to have problems. So what I've done is I've purchased a stainless bolt of the same dimensions. So when you're installing the shift lever, the Kawasaki manual tells you there's a mark right here on the side cover, and you want the shifter below that mark. So when you put it on the spline, it'll fit here, and you can feel that mark, and that mark is actually below the shifter. So we need to go to the next one down. We rotate to the very next spline, and that's going to be the correct location below this mark. At this point, we apply some medium strength thread locker, or people kind of generically refer to that as blue Loctite, on the bolt, and thread it in by hand as far as you can get it. Then we can go ahead and tighten that bolt up. And then once you've got it snugged up, use a 1/4 inch drive torque wrench, and you may have to have an adapter because you won't be able to get it back in here, but you'll be able to get it onto your adapter out here. And that's it. The shift lever is installed, and it's a pretty nice looking shift lever with a spring-loaded lever here, knurled aluminum. It's super feather light, made by Tusk. Once again, we've upgraded the bolt to stainless steel. We've torqued it to 110 inch-pounds, and it's been Loctited, so we should expect good service out of that.